Arlington Malone's father started the Garden of Eden in 1981. Malone began gardening when he was just 5 years old, along with his family, to start a cleanup project for the community to enjoy fresh fruits and vegetables.
Coming from the South Bronx, we live in a food desert where it's hard to find, an organic fruit or vegetable, as you can see. So now basically you have that option. We're giving, everyone in the community that healthy option where you can come in here at the same time. You can learn how to plant, grow, and harvest your own fruits and vegetables.
Amy Chaplin is the author of At Home in the Whole Food Kitchen that contains over 150 plant-based recipes. She is here to demonstrate a cooking demo.
I'm teaching a nutrition cooking class as part of the Bronx Lebanon Hospital nutrition program. We shaved zucchini, we added the purslane, chopped tomatoes, some scallions. I found some mint in the garden that's growing like crazy, so we added chopped mint, and then we made a dressing out of crushed pine nuts and olive oil and lemon juice and sea salt and tossed it all together. So it's like very light and fresh and no cooking required.
A doctor of dental surgery explains the connection of food and dental health. She also gives us a few tips on how children should brush their teeth.
We teach children how to brush in little circles, including the back teeth, the front teeth, and not to forget the backs of the front teeth, the backs of the back teeth, the top surfaces, the gums, not to forget the bottom teeth, as well as the tongue.
Residents participate in the cooking demo, and kids receive a free book and a mini lesson from Alex the dinosaur. Reporting for BronxNet, I'm Yesenia Ramos.